Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to save contacts from your Google Drive. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. You just have to sign in to your Google account. Now let's simply try to add a contact. At the right side of the screen, well, there are many add-ons like Calendar, Keep, Task, and the thing we're looking for, Contacts. Simply click on the button right there, and from here, simply hit on the Create Contact button. Do you know that this is the way how you can create a contact from your Google Drive? Simply enter the first name, last name and everything. I'm gonna enter some details right now. Well, as you can see, I have entered some details, and once everything's okay, hit on Save. And guys, that is it. As you can see, I have successfully created a contact and saved it from my Google Drive. It is quite easy. And guys, this is it. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.